So Matan, it's nice to finally meet you in person. We already had an examination in the other room. I know you're prepared for surgery this Thursday. You've asked me a lot of questions. What really drew you to come here? What it is about what you found online and about me that trusted you to come all the way to the United States, to South Jersey, to consider surgery for a very rare procedure, which has been performed only several dozen times and never, for how long yours has been already a problem, which is about 4 years. Is that correct?
Yeah. So I've had this for a few years now, and I couldn't find help where I live in my country. So I just started to look for cases like mine and where they've been treated. And I saw on Facebook, actually, I think, that you treated something very similar to mine, an identical case, but only that case was newer, and mine is chronic.
Yep.
So I reached out to you, and of course, you've been amazing in terms of explaining me what's gonna happen, what are the risks, what's the possible outcomes. Really, it's been you've been like more than a doctor in terms of doing everything in the background, helping even small stuff, helping me coordinate my stay, where I'll be staying, recommending me places, a lot of things, which been really amazing. Appreciate that a lot, and that definitely made me trust you as a doctor, as a person. To me, I feel that I'm in good hands, definitely.
Well, I appreciate that. We have a big day on Thursday.
Yeah.
It's a little unpredictable what we're going to expect. We're going to take it slow. We're going to be careful, and hopefully we'll find a tendon that's repairable for you.
Hopefully.
Nice to see you again, my friend.
Nice to be here.
All right, so it's been now 2 weeks since surgery. You flew almost 6,000 miles. You had the courage to do this on your own. You didn't have anyone with you except for some staff at Premier that was so helpful, coming in, visiting you, making sure you're doing okay. We've been texting back and forth. Just 2 weeks out from surgery. You're smiling the same way you did when I first met you. And you're in the sling, but on and off, doing physical therapy. How's your experience been so far?
It's been very good. Just happy everything turned out on the best side. I still have a long road ahead of me. Mm-hmm. I'm looking forward to it. So far, so good.
Yep, knocking on wood here. So again, a really unique procedure, really kind of a one of a kind, especially the way your tendon and muscle ended up being injured, and a unique way to repair it. Mm-hmm. But luckily we were able to get it where it had to be. At this point, again, only 2 weeks out, but on the way to recovery. So we're going to help you once you get back to your country to get physical therapy set up. You have my cell phone number, everything that you need to hopefully transition care there. And hopefully a long road will end up in a good outcome. So that's our goal. Nice to see you now with this shaking with a rough shoulder here and still smiling.